Hello, good morning everyone. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have monthly expiry. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both is making a bearish price action in the morning only, and it is a like huge gap down. Till now, like it is resisting at 55,900 is acting as a resistance in Bank Nifty, and Nifty is like resisting at 24,800 below. So the price action is already bearish and the major trend is bearish. So no need to be like go on the upside. There will be a more comfortable and feasible and profitability is there in the downside. So wherever it's going to be reject, like this is the like particular resistance which is 24,775 and it's going to be reject again, then definitely we will be looking for the selling side opportunities. Here you need to just wait, and according to fib retracement these are the rejections level. So I will be looking for the second time it will be going to failed and gave a close above 24,775 and 800 level, then definitely one more rejection I will be looking for the selling side opportunities. And in the same way it is resisting 55,900 below and 15-minute candle is going to be close below this level, then definitely one more selling is going to be happen at here, and monthly expiry would be in the downside. This would be possible, so which is making a like risk is very low. The resistance is 24,900 and 850 area and 55,900 area. Till then it is below 56,000. The price action is already bearish, so I will be not looking for any buying opportunity at these resistance level. I will be looking for sale on rise only, as I told you in my like yesterday's video that these are the resistance level, and like sellers has done the profit booking and all. So we have seen a one bounce which is feasible for the sale on rise market, and trend is your friend until it's not going to bend. So these are the support zone, like 24,700 is a good support zone, is acting as a support zone. So this a kind of reversal, not a reversal, we can say just a sailing retracement sort of. So once it's going to be reject again, then the maximum profitability and probability 80% we have in the downside, so which I am looking for, which is 24,500 level. So if in intraday basis I will be going to got any opportunity where 24,500 is a positive price action would be happen, then definitely one scalp I can do for the intraday basis only. Here I cannot go for a blindly for a buy. I will be looking and waiting for my setup is going to be activated, and I will be looking for sale on rise in this market sort of market. I will be not going to play any sort of buying till then it's not going to reach extreme support, which is 24,500. So in this below between no trading zone, so it has given a 24,700 as a support, and it has given a close, good close above 700, and it has done and dusted the buy scalp, right, which I am not interested, so least interested. So I am not like having a position at that particular support. I will be looking more 80% probability, and the more high frequency trade which is I'm looking for, which is in the downside, so where it's going to be reject, which is very important. So below 24,775 it is, till then it is giving a close, so we will be looking for a selling side opportunities. One more bounce if it is going to be happen at here, that particular place, and it is going to reject at here 780 and 790 area. 800 where is like acting as a good resistance, so I will be looking for the selling opportunity where risk is, reward is going to be big and risk is very low, so which I am looking for in this monthly expiry. And this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose, so if you are making any buy and sale as per my recommendation, so consult to your financial advisor first. And in Bank Nifty, which is more having a like probability